That's all y'all's club, boy.
What are we back with today? We're back
with another banger of a video.
Yes, sir.
We're shooting this beautiful Mustang
2015 Mustang V6. We're back at our good old friend Kelly's. We're gonna go ahead and shoot.
About to go to town on this
V6 Mustang.
vehicle.
Get some rollers too.
Triple foam conditioner. Shit. The GoPro's live right now?
Yeah. So this panel, bro, was looking mad rough. I was able to get some shots of it before. And what do you think? Did you see it before?
I did see it before, yeah.
What do you think of the after?
I think they did a really good job. You got before pictures?
Yeah. We're gonna show some before and afters. Can we mic you up? Can we mic her up? So you got it in what?
Got it in 2023 after I traded in my Infinity, my G35.
Yeah, good thing it did too. That Infinity was starting to have some detrimental problems.
That shit was smoking on the way to the dealership.
And I remember,
Like, is anything wrong? No.
nope. Nothing was wrong at the time.
Burns a quart of oil a week, no problem.
Are we back?
We back. Bro, I don't even know if we recorded all of that. The first, it said it was on time warp or something.
What does that
So
mean?
anyway, we're back with another
banger of a video. What do you think?
V6 hate.
Yep.
I think it's unnecessary, honestly. I think the V6 is one of the most iconic Mustangs that come out. Any Mustang, really.
I think so too.
They're fun to drive, that's for sure.
For sure.
So-
They still push.
They push like crazy.
A Mustang's a Mustang.
Come on,
Number one.
come on.
Number two, you're not spending V8 money.
No, tell me about it. That's the other thing too, is with the gas and all of that, it gets quite crazy. Ooh,
You're gonna get her all soaped up.
got a little foam on it. Bro, they like upgraded the equipment here too.
How much is it to do a full wash here?
$10.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. $10 to do this.
It used to be like $5.
I personally really like this car, and as a matter of fact, I really like EcoBoosts. I know, but it's because we were just talking about like V6 hate and why they're hated on. You still get a lot of decent power. You can make them sound very decent. It turns off on its own. You get really good power behind a V6. They still look like a Mustang. You can make them sound really nice. This car's a perfect example.
Uh-huh. It truly is. Oh my God, it's looking beautiful already.
And the gas mileage is not horrible. And it's a perfect daily, in my opinion. V8 is it? This is like
Yeah, that's what I
almost the
noticed
perfect
too.
vehicle, in my opinion. It's the perfect vehicle. For a lot of people, right? Not everyone digs the sport look, but in my opinion, I love the sport look. Now that we're talking about V6 hate, I kind of want to take a shift to like the car community in general. Like, I feel like the car community has become something just so toxic. A community
Toxic.
of comparison, competition. The car community just becomes toxic, bro. It's become just like toxic.
Yeah, bro.
You know what they say? They say comparison is a thief of joy. And that's all people do in the car community. They just compare, like, okay, I'll gap you. My shit looks better than yours. And it's just like, man, like,
I like that. Comparison comes a thief of joy.
oye, manito, a lo mejor tú piensas que si tú le pones 2 superchargers y 1 supercharger a tu carro, te va a arrancar mejor. Pero, manito, eso no es el caso. Mira bien, si tú le pones 2 superchargers, 2 turbos y 1 supercharger a tu carro.
This is a video of you guys.
Oh. Hey.
This is you, Matthew.
Looks like a movie, bro.
Yeah.
Get a video of my height, bro.
Of your what?
Just record, bro, record.
All right, 1 second. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh.
Time to dry this baby off.
Time to dry it up.
Corbera with the Corbera. My license plate is gonna be E2 cute. You know, cause like cuties like the oranges. Hey. Hey. Hey, Matthew on the beat.